What if I told you there's a forgotten herb in your kitchen that could boost digestion, reduce stress, and even help fight cancer, and you've probably been ignoring it until now? That's right, we're talking about bay leaf, the quiet hero of your spice rack. For centuries, bay leaves have done more than just seasoned soups and stews. They're loaded with powerful compounds that may support your heart, gut, and even your immune system. From calming inflammation to exciting studies on colon and breast cancer prevention, bay leaf tea might just become your new daily ritual. So stay tuned to the end to learn how to unlock the full power of bay leaves and how to start using them the right way. And hey, if you're into natural remedies that actually work, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss a health-boosting tip. Bay leaves aren't just for flavor, they're packed with powerful compounds that can seriously upgrade your health. These humble leaves are loaded with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making them especially helpful in fighting off chronic illnesses and even slowing signs of aging. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, here are 10 science-backed reasons to start sipping bay leaf tea every single day. Struggling with bloating, gas, or that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals, bay leaf tea might be your new best friend. Bay leaves contain compounds that naturally calm your digestive system. Thanks to their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic properties, they help relax the muscles of your intestines, making digestion smoother and easier. They also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and stomach mucus, which not only improves food breakdown, but also protects the stomach lining from irritants like alcohol, medications, or overly acidic foods. Regularly drinking bay leaf tea may also help reduce the risk of ulcers, acid reflux, and other common digestive complaints. Plus, it's a simple, natural way to support gut health. No harsh chemicals or expensive supplements required. So the next time your stomach feels off, skip the pills and reach for a soothing cup of bay leaf tea. 2. Clears up congestion and supports respiratory health. Feeling stuffed up or struggling with a stubborn cough? Bay leaf tea can help you breathe easier. Thanks to its mucolytic and expectorant properties, bay leaves help break down mucus and clear it from your lungs and airways. That makes it a natural remedy for coughs, congestion, and respiratory discomfort, especially during cold and flu season. Whether you're dealing with a runny nose, bronchitis, or even asthma flare-ups, bay leaf tea works to soothe inflammation and open up your airways. You can also inhale bay leaf steam for faster relief when symptoms are intense. It's a simple herbal solution that supports your lungs, without the side effects of over-the-counter decongestants. 3. Soothes joint pain and reduces inflammation. If you suffer from joint pain or arthritis, bay leaves might offer more relief than you'd expect. Packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds, bay leaves have been traditionally used to ease joint discomfort caused by conditions like arthritis, sprains, strains, and even bruises. What's unique here is that bay leaves aren't just for drinking. You can also apply them topically. Simply brew a strong bay leaf tea, soak a cloth in the warm infusion, and apply it as a compress to the affected area. This method helps reduce swelling, relieve stiffness, and calm painful flare-ups. Whether you're dealing with age-related aches or workout-related strains, this natural remedy is worth a try. No synthetic creams or medications needed. 4. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. If you're managing type 2 diabetes or trying to keep your blood sugar stable, bay leaf tea might offer some impressive support. Studies have shown that bay leaves can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively. This means glucose can enter your cells more efficiently, leading to better blood sugar control and fewer spikes throughout the day. In fact, clinical trials using bay leaf extract in capsule form, 1 to 3 grams daily, have shown significant improvements in blood glucose levels over just 30 days, when compared to a placebo group. Now let's be clear. Bay leaves aren't a replacement for prescribed diabetes treatments. But as a natural supplement to a healthy lifestyle, proper diet, and medical advice, they can be a helpful addition to your blood sugar management plan. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your routine, but don't overlook the power of this ancient herb. 5. Naturally reduces anxiety and stress. Feeling tense, anxious, or mentally drained? Bay leaves might be just the calming boost you need. These aromatic leaves contain compounds that help relax both your nervous system and muscles, making them a natural remedy for stress and anxiety relief. One standout compound is linalool, which has been shown to promote a sense of calm and emotional balance. You can enjoy the soothing effects of bay leaves by sipping a warm infusion or tea, or by simply using them in aromatherapy. Believe it or not, just inhaling the scent of bay leaves for 10 minutes can create an instant sense of well-being and reduce mental fatigue. This makes bay leaf tea an excellent option for evening routines, meditation sessions, or any time you need to reset. It's a simple, affordable way to bring more peace into your day, naturally and effectively. Before we move on, here's an exclusive gift to help you take your results to the next level. If you're tired of complicated workout routines and want a simple diet-driven approach to flatten your belly, then you need my free ebook, Flat Belly Formula, Diet-Driven Secrets for Losing Weight Without Exercise. Inside, you'll find easy-to-implement tips that target stubborn belly fat through powerful, yet simple, dietary changes. Click the link in the description to download your free copy now and start transforming your body today. 6. Helps relieve headaches naturally. Tired of reaching for painkillers every time a headache hits? Bay leaves may offer a natural alternative. Their powerful anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties can help reduce both the intensity and frequency of headaches, especially those caused by stress, tension, or poor sleep. By relaxing blood vessels and easing muscle tightness around the neck and shoulders, bay leaf tea works to calm the body and reduce pressure. It may even help reduce migraine frequency when used consistently, though more research is still being done. You can drink it as a tea or inhale the steam from a bay leaf infusion for faster relief. Some people even add bay leaf oil to a warm compress and apply it to the temples for added benefit. It's a simple herbal remedy that's been trusted for centuries, and it could be a game changer for your headache routine. 7. Supports healthy cholesterol levels. Looking to improve your heart health naturally? Bay leaf tea may help regulate your cholesterol levels and protect your cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that bay leaves can help lower total cholesterol, reduce LDL, that's the bad cholesterol, and even increase HDL, the good cholesterol. That's a winning combination for maintaining a healthy heart. This effect was observed in the same study that looked at bay leaves and type 2 diabetes. But the results suggest these benefits may extend to anyone struggling with high cholesterol. By helping to manage cholesterol levels, bay leaves may also reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular issues, especially when combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle. While it's not a magic cure, adding bay leaf tea to your daily routine could be a simple and effective step toward long-term heart health, and it's a lot cheaper than most supplements. 8. Boost overall heart and cardiovascular health. Your heart works hard, every day, and bay leaves may help keep it running strong. Bay leaves have been linked to a variety of heart protective effects, including a reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and blood vessel damage. These benefits come from their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help protect arteries and reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in heart disease. On top of that, bay leaves support healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and some studies even suggest they may assist in regulating blood pressure, creating a well-rounded defense against cardiovascular issues. While many of these studies have been conducted on animals, the early research is promising and points to a comprehensive set of heart health benefits that could translate to humans. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your cardiovascular system, adding bay leaf tea to your routine is a small habit with potentially big impact. 9. Fights bacterial and fungal infections. Bay leaves aren't just good for flavor, they're also natural defenders against infection. Lab studies have shown that bay leaf extracts have strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them effective in combating harmful microbes that can cause illness. From skin infections to internal pathogens, bay leaves may help your body ward off invaders before they take hold. What's more, their rich antioxidant content doesn't just fight chronic disease, it also helps strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient to everyday infections like colds, flu, and even more serious threats. Whether sipped as a tea or used in steam or topical remedies, bay leaves offer a natural line of defense that supports both prevention and recovery, without harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. 10. May help in cancer prevention. While research is still in the early stages, bay leaves have shown exciting potential in the fight against cancer. Preliminary lab studies using bay leaf extracts have demonstrated their ability to inhibit the growth of certain tumor cells, including those related to colon and breast cancer. These effects are likely tied to bay leaves' high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help protect cells from oxidative stress, a key contributor to cancer development. In addition to supporting immune function and overall health, these natural compounds may help slow the progression of abnormal cell growth. While bay leaf tea shouldn't be viewed as a substitute for medical treatment, its role in a supportive, health-conscious lifestyle is certainly promising. More research is needed, especially in humans, but adding bay leaves to your daily diet could be a small yet meaningful step toward long-term wellness and possibly even prevention. So there you have it. 10 powerful reasons to drink bay leaf tea every day, from supporting digestion and heart health to reducing stress and even showing promise in cancer prevention. This humble herb is a true natural powerhouse. Incorporating bay leaf tea into your daily routine is simple, affordable, and packed with potential health benefits. Have you tried bay leaf tea before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it's worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you want to learn more about the best natural remedies for your health, watch this video.